She's welcomed millions, standing tall as a beacon of hope, freedom, and new beginnings. Everyone recognizes her, but few know her real story. Why is she green? Whose face is hidden beneath that crown? And why was she almost sent to a completely different country? Buckle up. This is the wild history behind America's most iconic monument. 1876. America celebrates its 100th birthday, and France decides to gift a colossal statue symbolizing liberty. But this wasn't just a friendly gesture. France had just survived revolution, and its people idolized American democracy. The sculptor Frédéric Bartholdi designed her as a warning. Freedom is fragile, and it must be fought for. Bartholdi needed a muse. Rumor has it he modeled her after his own mother, Charlotte, a strict, strong-willed woman. But there's another twist. Her pose and crown mirror Libertas, the Roman goddess of emancipation. And those 7 spikes on her crown? They're not just decoration. Each ray represents a continent or ocean, symbolizing liberty spreading worldwide. Here's the kicker. Bartholdi originally pitched this statue to Egypt. He envisioned a giant lighthouse for the Suez Canal. When that fell through, New York Harbor became Plan B. But then, disaster. France donated the statue, but Americans had to pay for the pedestal. And guess what? Nobody wanted to chip in. Newspapers mocked it as a French boondoggle. Enter Joseph Pulitzer. He launched a crowdsourcing campaign, promising to print every donor's name, even if they gave just $1. Over 120,000 Americans answered the call. Shipped in 350 pieces, it took 300 workers 4 months to assemble her on Bedloe's Island. But at the unveiling ceremony, a massive French flag blocked her face. Workers had to rip it away last minute. She wasn't always green. Originally, her copper skin gleamed like a penny. But over 30 years, oxidation created the patina we know today. In the 1900s, officials considered cleaning it, until they realized the patina protects the metal. Now it's her signature look. While she welcomed immigrants, many Americans felt excluded. Enslaved people asked, "What about our freedom?" Suffragists protested at her feet, demanding voting rights. Native Americans saw hypocrisy as their lands were seized. Yet over time, she became a rallying symbol for all fights for justice. Her torch once had a viewing window, closed after a 1916 sabotage attack. The crown's 25 windows offer stunning views, but few tourists get tickets. Broken chains at her feet, symbolizing slavery's end, are almost invisible from the ground. Bonus fact, the original torch was replaced in 1986 and now sits in the museum. She survived wars, hurricanes, and 9/11. She's witnessed waves of immigrants, protests, and celebrations. The Statue of Liberty isn't just metal and stone. She's a challenge. Freedom isn't guaranteed. Every generation must defend it. And as long as her torch burns bright over New York Harbor, America has a chance to live up to its promise. What does Lady Liberty mean to you? Drop a comment, and if you want more untold stories, hit like and subscribe. Trust me, history's got way more secrets to spill.